Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Listen to this. This is the beautiful rain cloud humidifier and diffuser from HUGO JUDE, and it has absolutely brought a ton of joy to my life. It is so soothing, and I love that you can put your essential oils in it and it smells the whole house up with just a lovely fragrance. I love to set this up at night. I have it setting in my hallway between the bedrooms so we can all kind of hear the trickle. You can have it in your bedroom though. I just decided to put it in a neutral location because my kids kept fighting over who wanted it. So I figure we'll just leave it here and everybody can enjoy it. It cycles through a lot of different colors, or you can set it on the color that you would like. It has a lot of different settings on the top, and you can see how well the humidifier works on it. You can set it to just a light trickle, or you can really have it coming down. Here you can see that I have it on full speed, and I love that all of the water stays in the bowl. That way it's not ruining any of the tabletops that it's on. It comes with all the supplies that you need to clean it and keep it moving very well. It also comes with 3 different scents of essential oils, so that's fantastic. You can combine them or pick your favorite and just have a wonderful aroma throughout your house. I love that it was fairly simple to put together. I had it up and running in a matter of moments. I also love how durable this is. I've had it running for days on end, and I love that you can set a timer on it so it'll shut itself off. But it shows no signs of getting clogged. It shows no signs of stopping. I know that this is going to bring my family joy for years to come. So if you are in the market for something to bring your household a little joy, to smell good, and give it just a wonderful vibe, then look no further.
And that's my point of view.